right there. Hold it right there. So this is what you people came here to do. Anyway, let me save this video first for future proof. Women lead their husband. Anyways, I don't want money. The only thing I want is to have a feel of what you both were about to do. Because ever since it went viral in the community that I have HIV, they have all been avoiding me. HIV is not death sentence. You coming close to me does not mean you will have HIV. You can still live a healthy life with HIV. So if you don't want me to show your wife this, you will allow me have a taste of this. And as for you, you see this video, I will still show your husband. Despite the fact that it's your husband that gave me HIV, I will still show him this video if you don't comply. And you... Where is he?
70 years old man. You think say they wise?
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.